Usually, people learning to program are given exercises where a function name, parameters, and return type are decided for them, and the function is fairly straightforward. Presumably most of you have had this experience. The next step is for you to choose when to write functions yourself, figuring out what data they need and what they should return. In the next set of videos, we'll lead you through this process, giving you tips on how we make these choices, and along the way, as an added bonus, you'll get more practice with dictionaries, lists, and files. The problem we'll be tackling is a restaurant recommendation system. Here is a list of restaurants, including the name of the restaurant, the percentage of people who liked the restaurant, the price range of the restaurant, and the cuisines of food that the restaurant serves. $1 means that a meal doesn't cost much money. $4 indicates a very expensive restaurant. There are a lot of websites that give recommendations for restaurants based on the price range that someone's searching for or the kinds of food that they want. We're going to do something similar with a smaller file that is just going to be on our own computer, but it'll give you an idea of how these websites do the job they do. The program we're going to design will make recommendations to a user based on this data. We'll tell you a bit about the main function, but this task is complex, and helper functions will make writing the main function much easier. Here's the problem. Write a function that takes the open restaurant file, a price range, and a list of cuisines. It's going to return a list of restaurants and their ratings, sorted by ratings from highest to lowest. Let's do an example, starting with even fewer restaurants so there isn't that much data to keep track of. Let's say you're interested in cheap Chinese or Thai. Well, the cheap restaurants are Queen Street Cafe, Dumplings Are Us, and Deep Fried Everything. Of those, Deep Fried Everything serves pub food and not Thai or Chinese. That leaves Queen Street Cafe and Dumplings Are Us. The higher rated one is Queen Street Cafe, and so we'll want to return a list like this. In the next video, we'll explore how we're going to keep track of all this data in Python, and in the video after that, we'll figure out how to break the problem down into a series of subproblems.